What's up guys, this is Emmanuel. Today we have a new project. This DOS charger, Scatpack 392, and this one we're gonna do it in red chrome. This one is gonna look amazing. Okay, so let's start with the process for the installation. Let's do it. right, guys. This looks amazing. You can see it. Beautiful, man. Chrome, man, looks super cool on a car, but it is very hard to install. But you can see it, the final result is amazing. Look at this. It was hard to do it, yes. Let me show you the seams. There's one seam here, and this one I had to do it in pieces, because if you have more material, maybe you can avoid doing seams, but this one I had to do a seam here because I didn't have enough material, and this one here too. Yeah, so it's alright. It looks nice, super cool, but to avoid seams, if you are gonna do chrome wrap, get a roll and a half, one roll and half another roll. With that you will prevent from this. Oh, this one too, this was the last piece of the roll and it had lines. I'm gonna tell the customer he brought the material, so let's see if he can bring me a little bit more to redo only that part. Okay, but the car looks super nice, and we did a shine graphics decal. Look at this, amazing. Wow, this is like a new car. Look at this. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. How do you prefer chrome material, chrome wrap, matte, regular matte, satin, gloss? What color do you like on your car the most? Put in the comments, okay? And let me know what you guys think about this wrap. But it looks, ooh, man, amazing. And I did the banner. He told me to do the shine graphics banner. Looks cool, it's amazing. Okay, so thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one, and also don't forget I have a training how to do a wrap in the description of the video. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next video. If you want to learn how to do something like this, I have a training. The link is on the description of the video. If you want to learn how to do wraps like this one, okay? Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this one.